I get this question all the time. Devin, when should a faceless channel use AI for variation ideas instead of final wording? Short answer, use AI for expansion, not authorship. Here's the rule I'd use. If the job is to create more options from something you already understand, AI is great. If the job is to make a precise promise to the viewer, explain a nuanced point, or protect your channel's voice, a human should own the final wording. So think in 3 layers. Layer 1, human sets the source truth. That means the topic, the audience, the claim, and the angle. For example, this video helps beginners choose the right role for AI in a faceless channel workflow. Layer 2, AI creates variation. Ask it for 20 hook angles, 15 title directions, 10 thumbnail concepts, or 5 ways to structure the same idea for curiosity, clarity, urgency, or authority. Layer 3, human selects and rewrites the final words. Especially for the first 30 seconds, your main claim, your examples, and your CTA. A simple checkpoint. If you'd be annoyed by generic wording, don't let AI finish the sentence. Where AI really helps faceless channels is volume at the option stage. That's the bottleneck. Tools like Satura are useful when you want one approved brief turned into organized title, hook, and structure variations without losing the original strategy. So, human for truth and taste, AI for permutations, human again for final wording. That's usually the cleanest workflow.